I see you're interested in learning back-end website design and development. That is the best decision, I must say. This skill is one of the most in-demand and high-paying tech skills that allows you to power websites and web applications that billions of people use. And the best part, you have come to the right place. Welcome to Bizmarrow Technologies, the leading ICT training institute in Nigeria, where we offer practical hands-on training to help you become a professional developer. So now, what exactly is back-end website design and development? While front-end focuses on everything that the user sees, back-end is the brain behind the website. It handles everything from data, logic, security, and server management to ensure everything works smoothly. As a back-end web developer, you'll be working with server-side programming languages, databases, and APIs to create dynamic and fully functional web applications. You'll be the one making sure the website can process requests, store user data, and work efficiently. Career and job roles. Back-end website design and development is in high demand globally. After this training, you can work as a back-end web developer, a web developer, software engineer, database administrator, API developer, or even a cloud engineer. With this skill set, you can work with tech companies, banks, startups, or even freelance with international companies. And don't worry, we're here to guide you to secure jobs and grow your career. Now here is what you learn. At Bizmarrow Technologies, our back-end web design and development course is designed to take you from beginners to pro. You learn programming languages such as PHP, Python, Java, and Node.js. You learn database management using MySQL, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB. Server management, where you learn how to set up and manage web servers. RESTful APIs and microservices, where you learn how to create powerful database applications. Authentication and security. Here you learn how to protect user data with best practices. Version control with Git and GitHub. Here you learn collaboration and tracking code changes. Cloud deployments. Here you learn how to host applications on cloud services such as AWS, Firebase, or Digital Queen. Real-world projects. You will build and deploy a real-world application before graduation. If you're new to web development, don't worry, we'll start from the fundamentals, teaching you programming basics and databases. Then we'll move into server management and API development. As you progress, you work on real-world projects to solidify your knowledge. Now here is why you should choose Bizmarrow Technologies. At Bizmarrow Technologies, we offer you practical hands-on training, which is not just theory, where you'll be building real-world projects. Our classes are not crowded. We keep them small size to ensure you get that personalized learning. A trainer is assigned to you for mentoring and coaching. We teach you job-ready skills that make you employable immediately after the training. We work on real-world projects to help you stand out in job applications. Our trainings are available both online and physical. This means you can join from anywhere around the world. Also, we have flexible payments plans, making quality tech education available for you. At Bizmarrow Technologies, we don't just teach, you graduate ready to build, succeed, and grow your career. Now is the best time to start. Remember, delay is dangerous. Every day, companies are looking for skilled back-end developers, and you can be one of them. Click on the link below to register or visit any of our physical offices in Abuja. See you in class. Bye.